Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Fruitech. So, OxygenOS 16.0.9 V400 update has started rolling out for OnePlus 15 today. And this update brings some new features. We extracted the fingerprint icons from this version, and other OnePlus devices which are running with OxygenOS 16 can try them right now. This new fingerprint customization lets you customize both fingerprint icons and fingerprint animations. Make sure you must watch this video till the end because there is one drawback to use this new fingerprint mod that you should know before installation of this mod. If you find our content useful, then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming content. Now without further delay, let's get started. In our previous video, we already shared a similar fingerprint icon customization mod. However, the biggest problem with that mod was that your device OTA card changes to Realme user interface style, which many users didn't like. But in today's video, you can get the same fingerprint customization feature while keeping your device original OxygenOS OTA card. All you need is a OnePlus device running with any OxygenOS 16 version. Download all of the fingerprint icons file along with the new settings APK which is given in the description. First install the settings APK, then install all fingerprint APK files. You will find the two versions for each fingerprint pack, so make sure you install both the APKs one after another. For example, first I installed Spark 1 APK file, then I installed the second Spark APK file. OnePlus has now separated the fingerprint icons and fingerprint animations into different APKs in this new versions. In the same way, install whatever fingerprint pack you want to use. Once the installation is complete, go to the home screen and lock screen customization setting and open the fingerprint section. Here in the first row, you will see the 5 new fingerprint icons along with the 8 default icons that you installed earlier. At the bottom, you will find all the stock OnePlus fingerprint animations available for installed fingerprint packs. You can select any fingerprint icon and can pair it with any fingerprint animation. If you want to add your own fingerprint icon, simply long press on any existing icon and remove it using delete button. Then tap on this plus icon where you can add emojis, numbers or any other supported character as your fingerprint icon. However, not every character is supported. Some characters may show you character not supported error. You can add up to 5 custom icons at the time. Later you can remove any of them and can add the new one whenever you want. One thing I noticed that all the default fingerprint icons now have updated animations. It's clearly visible when you lock or unlock your device or when you turn the screen on and off from the lock screen. The best part is that this new fingerprint mod does not replace your OTA card with the Realme UI or the ColorOS style. It remains completely as OxygenOS. Everything is working perfectly with this mod, but I found one issue. In our previous video, we also shared several third-party fingerprint animations like Ethereal, Hex PUI, Genshin and many more. Unfortunately, once you install this new mod, those third-party fingerprint animations will no longer appear in the settings application. Even if you install them, they will won't show up again. Only the stock 8 fingerprint animations are supported with this mod. So keep that in mind. If you really like using those third-party animation, you can skip this mod. If you don't like those extra fingerprint animations and only want to customize your fingerprint icons without affecting your device OT card, then this is the currently best and the latest fingerprint mod for all OxygenOS 16 devices. That's all for today guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you will never miss out the upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.